Welcome to Pilot's Brewcast, where skies blend with stories. November 12, 1996. The evening sky over Delhi filled with golden clouds, soft sunlight, and just another day of flights passing overhead. But that day would become the date of world's deadliest mid-air collision. Two aircrafts, one Saudi Arabian airline Boeing 747 climbing out of Delhi and one Kazakhstan airline Aviation IL-76 descending towards it. They both found themselves in the same airspace, different directions, same altitude, and one tragic misunderstanding. The air traffic control gave clearances, but the Kazakh crew struggled with limited English and descended below their assigned level. In the silent blue of that evening sky, the two giants met head-on at 14,000 feet. A fireball tore across the horizon above the Charki Dadri village. All 349 people aboard both the aircrafts lost their lives. It is still one of the most haunting aviation disasters in the Indian history. And the saddest part, all of this could have been avoided only if there was a voice in the sky that could tell them before their eyes could see. Fast forward 3 decades later, different continent, different flight. United Airlines Flight 2428 descending towards San Francisco. Calm skies, routine descent, everything by the book, until a sudden electronic alert is heard. The pilots glance at their screens and they see another aircraft, same level, crossing fast. No time to talk to ATC, no time to think. They act instantly. They pulled up, coffees were spilled, passengers were shocked. Within seconds, a disaster was avoided. Both aircrafts missed each other by just a few hundred feet, thanks to an advancement that forever changed aviation. But what was that advancement? What exactly whispered that warning that saved hundreds of lives? We will uncover that in part 2 of this story. Until then, follow Pilot's Brewcast, because sometimes skies speak before the disaster does.